Alright, so here we've got the power supply. So I went ahead and swapped out the 0.156 headers here. We replaced C3, C1, C2, and also C7 over here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing powered up. And what I do with my let's just be very careful, but we'll go ahead and test. So first up we've got negative 88, and then our negative 110, and 68, and then, let's see, 5 volts. I believe this is ground here, and then negative 12, and then we've got positive 12. Sorry, here we go. And then positive 12, and then a string of 5 volts here. And then ground. So there we are. Thank you so much. So we've got a Last Action Hero MPU here. So I've got my Simpsons ROMs installed, but I did go ahead and update the ROM here for you, as well as replace the 470 UF and 47 UF capacitors, the power input header, the game ROM socket, the RAM socket, as well as the CPU socket have all been replaced. And I also did add NVRAM there for you. So the lamp matrix, during the column test, whenever I was testing the column, row 5 was the only light that would light in the entire column there. What that boiled down to was a bad 2N5060 here at, let's see if I can focus in, Q85, as well as a bad TIP122 here at Q76. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing powered up. And like I said, I have my Simpsons ROMs installed here. And we've got the lamp matrix dancing, doing its thing. No coils locked on there. And we'll go ahead and throw this thing into test. First off, we'll do the display test, and those are all working there. And into switch test, so testing diagonally through both rows and columns. And all 64 switches are reporting, which none are active. And here is all the lamps there. All the rows and all the columns. Then we've got the individual lamps here as well. You'll see a bit of ghosting here just from the LEDs. And we'll move over into the flashers and into the solenoids. So testing both A side and B side of the relay select. And into these special solenoids here. So those were all computer driven, and we'll test them by switch as well. And all those are functioning correctly. And that is the end of the test, and I'll go ahead and get the Last Action Hero ROM installed here. And I won't be able to show displays because I don't have my DMD connected, but I will be able to show, you know, obviously it doing the ball search, and then also the lamp matrix there once it's all done. So give me a second for that. So we've now got the Last Action Hero ROM installed, and go ahead and get her booted up. And here we are with the ball search and into the attract mode there for you. So we are 100% good to go, and I'm sure that's trying to move the crane there, because we've got the AB relay select on. Yep, there we are. So, but thank you so much. I appreciate it.